सो ऑन पॉपुलर डिमांड आज हम 2 साल पुराना पैकेज अनबॉक्स करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले एक रीसेंट पैकेज जो हमारे एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट आया है, और क्योंकि बर्थडे गिफ्ट है और रीसेंट है तो इसे पहले ओपन करते हैं और उसके बाद 2 साल पुराना पैकेज। ओला इसके ऊपर हालांकि ये छूने से तो लग रहा है कि किताब है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर का जो पैकेज है बड़ा ही प्यारा लग रहा है, बड़ा ही प्यारा कवर लग रहा है ये, ऐसा एकदम खुरदुरा सा। तो इसे थोड़ा प्यार से खोलें कि इसे तुरंत खोलें, इसे खोल नहीं सकते। बात यह है कि अगर इसे टेप को हल्के से खोलने की कोशिश करेंगे ये वैसे भी फट ही जाएगा, तो हम ऐसे ही इसको खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जिसमें थोड़ा सा जो है, अरे वाह ये कागज़ बड़ा है प्यारा है अंदर एक किताब। हमारे सारे अजीज़ दोस्त, ये हमारी एक दोस्त ने भेजा है पटना से, who wants to remain anonymous। हाँ, तो हमारे सारे दोस्त जानते हैं कि हमको किताबें बहुत पसंद हैं। अरे वाह, ये किताब है ऑप्शन बी बाय शेरिल सैंडबर्ग, फेसिंग एडवर्सिटी, बिल्डिंग रेजिलियंस एंड फाइंडिंग जॉय, एडम ग्रांट ओरिजिनल्स। शेरिल सैंडबर्ग ने तो लीनिंग लिखा है। अरे अंदर एक नोट है, अरे बाप रे, पर्सनल नोट है अंदर। किताब तो है ही, ये किताब तो ऑथर कौन है इस किताब के? ये बुक एडम ग्रांट ने लिखी है और शेरिल सैंडबर्ग ने क्या है, कुछ इनपुट्स दिए हैं, या शेरिल सैंडबर्ग ने लिखा है, पता नहीं, पता लगा के बता देंगे आपको वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद ऐसी। लेकिन ये एक नोट है, पढ़ा जाए क्यों ना।
गले में खिंच खिंच गले में क्या करूं, विक्स की गोली लो, खिंच खिंच दूर करो।
अब पता नहीं इसको ऑन कैमरा पढ़ना चाहिए कि नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए हमको, लेकिन पढ़ लेते हैं। Hey, I know this birthday is going to be extremely hard for you. I know you've been dealing with this grief without really mentioning how hollow it feels on the inside. I, of all people, resonate with all that you feel and more. And if there's one thing I can tell you from experience, it's all valid. So this birthday I'm going to tell you to look around and observe strangers. Your beloved, everyone shares your grief in some way or the other. Dying and grieving is a collective movement in equal parts as living, and yet we fail to acknowledge it so often. When you lose a parent, especially dads, the ground beneath becomes fragile and the roof over your head is shattered. And I am aware that even though most people, including myself, feel your pain, no one quite understands what's been taken away from you. It's almost as if your heart knows no warmth anymore, especially when you are lonely. I experienced this quite early in my life, And the only positive thing about it is that the chapter of you both ended with his demise, but now you can start a new one. A chapter with a lot of ifs and buts, filled with pain and regret, but also filled with memories that only makes your connection with them stronger. This is your second chapter. I don't know how long it will be. I'm still here. But this will help you heal probably maybe a little. My therapist once told me, souls travel and traverse the mortal world in groups, and that some people feel more attachment than the others. And that some people feel more attachment than the others from the same family. I came to believe it after he was gone. And sometimes I am shit scared that I might someday even forget his voice. That one day everything he bought for me and us will either break or get torn and thrown away. I shared this with Mummy once, how I feel like saving everything he bought, and if anyone, especially our maids, try breaking a piece of crockery, I want to kill them. I felt so stupid saying this, but she understood the place I was coming from. She said, "You are equally him as well. And hating others, breaking things he bought, is only hurting you. Him." So Vivek, this birthday, take a moment to show gratitude to him for this life. For all we know, he lives through you. And I'm not going to ask you to own it and all. That's bullshit. Some experiences in life suck real big time, and just surviving is enough. I want you to know that you are loved and that you mean many things to a lot of people. You are special to me and others, and we are all here for you. While you tread this rather difficult path, and no matter how dark and cold you feel right now, the sun shall shine on you again. It won't get easier, but you will just begin to feel things again. Happy, joyous, funny things will move you on some days, and the others will be gloomy. What will happen over the years is that the proportion of the bright days will increase, and that will be just enough. Honestly, I feel horrible for not being able to say these things directly to you, on your face, and not being able to squeeze you in a hug. But as I said, I feel bright today, and I'm full of hope that it will happen soon. I want to say so much more, but words fall short of expressing deep emotions sometimes. I am no John Elia or you. I'm no John Elia or you. Did I tell you how proud I am of your YouTube? And I can't wait for the whole world to discover how awesome a word player you are. So, meanwhile, you might not be visualizing a lot of positive things about yourself, and you may not have answers to all your questions. Hope is a powerful roof, but when you live under it and hold it like the light within you, I believe you can make things happen. To another amazing year full of hope, strength, and resilience. Cheers. Yours. I don't know what to say, honestly. I'm grateful. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for everything that I have. Now I can't do any other unboxing. See you in the other video. आपके साथ किसी और मोड पे फिर मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. वनकम.